All right, so let's talk about ABCO FCU. So once again, that's ABCO FCU. So today, if you guys are watching, you're going to be seeing a new style of video. I want you guys to let me know if you like this or not. Basically, I'm doing almost a blind reaction to these credit unions. We're going to go through all the credit unions in the U.S. We're going to look at their products, look at what they have to offer, and give you guys some ideas of what's available to you. So let's begin by looking at this particular credit union, and let's start off with, of course, their checkings and savings accounts. So as far as checkings accounts, they offer 4 different types of checking accounts: the plus, protection plus checking, rewards checking, standard checking, and business checking. Just to look over at the standard checking, and you can see there's no minimum balance requirement, no monthly fee, online banking and bill pay, with free ATM withdrawals at ABCO FCU ATMs. So I would say for a basic checking account with a credit union, that would be a great option, and it aligned with pretty much the industry standard for credit unions. For their share savings account here, reading here, membership is based upon a person maintaining a basic minimum deposit, 1 share of the credit union, which is a $5 deposit. So this is a relatively low to average deposit. I'd say low for a credit union. There are some credit unions that have minimum deposits of $25 and things along that nature. So this one being $5, I think it's good. And one thing that they do say, and they are open about, is that in order to get interest on your accounts, you have to hold a minimum balance of $100, which isn't a lot, but it's just something to think about if you're not someone who holds money in your accounts. So now let's go over to their loan section. If we look at their vehicle loans, and I saw this was advertised on their front page. So basically, their auto loans right now are at great rates. As far as new auto loans for 2020 and 2021 vehicles, they're 2%, 2.5% for refinances. For boats and RVs, 4.5%. And for motorcycle loans, 2.5%. So these are really great interest rates as far as auto loans. So if you're looking towards financing a auto loan or RV or motorcycle, this would be great, as well as their option to extend your term out to 84 months, which is great if you choose to hold it out for that long. They also offer home loans. As far as home loans are concerned, they're offering home equity loans, mortgages, as well as refinancing. And then the rates, of course, are going to be determined by their underwriting department at that time. Mortgage rates are always pretty, standard, so you never have to worry about too much fluctuation there. And then as far as their credit cards, which is what I'm sure a lot of you are here to see, their credit cards have 2% interest rates on their balance transfer card for 12 months. And then after that, a fixed rate of 7.99 or 8%, which is great to have. So that's something you also may want to check out. And then just as well as they have business lending services, where you can get business loan products from the SBA, as well as some of their immediate loans that'll be up to 24 months, business lines of credit, working capital, and just as well as we forgot to check out their personal loan section, but they also have these options on the personal side as well. So you can borrow between $500 and $25,000 with them. It will give you up to 60 months of a term with interest rates as low as 7.99%. Now, something that's cool that I saw here that I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing, at least not for this particular purpose, but they do offer what they call vacation loans, where you can pull out up to $3,500 and finance it out to 2 years with interest rates starting at 8% once again. So great opportunity, great options out here. Something that I think you guys may want to check out if you're eligible for this particular credit union. If we look up here for the eligibility of this credit union, what they're asking for is for you to live or work or worship or attend school in any of these areas. So if that applies to you, Atlantic City, Pleasantville, Browns Mills, Burlington, Fort Dix, Mount Holly, Palmyra, Alloway Township, and Salem, Plumstead, Jackson, Berkeley, Riverside, Delanco, or Vincenttown. Also, if you have a family member that is in this area, you work for an approved company or hospital in this area in New Jersey, just as well as you being a state employee of one of these departments in New Jersey. So if you live in New Jersey and you're interested, check it out, ABCO FCU. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for the support as always, and don't forget to like this video if you like this concept, and let me know what you guys thought about it. And just as well as if you want to see more videos like this, if there's a specific credit union that you want me to kind of do a review on or reaction on, and let me know if there's anything you saw in this video that you want a more in-depth review on any of those particular products, because this is just to kind of briefly go over what this particular credit union had to offer to you, and give you a good idea on that. And if there's something that you want something more in depth on, just let me know. You guys know I'm always here for my subscribers. Don't forget to check out the links in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next